Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to check speed of internet in PC so you can see your connection performance directly from Windows settings. Now let's get started. Step 1, press Win+I on your keyboard to quickly open the settings window. This shortcut helps you access system settings instantly without searching through the Start menu. It is the fastest way to reach your network options. Step 2. Inside Settings, click on Network and Internet, which is the section that manages all your connection settings like Wi-Fi and Ethernet. This area shows your current network status and connection details. It is important because your internet speed information is located here. Step 3. Click on Properties under your active connection, whether it is Wi-Fi or Ethernet. The Properties page displays detailed information about your connected network. This includes technical details about your adapter and link speed. Step 4. Scroll down until you find link speed, listed as Receive and Transmit. These numbers show the maximum speed your PC is currently negotiating with the router. This helps you understand whether your device is connected at the expected speed. Step 5. Check the displayed value carefully and remember that if you see something like 150 Mbps but you are paying for 1000 Mbps, your Ethernet cable or network port may be limiting the speed. Identifying this mismatch helps you troubleshoot hardware-related speed issues. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.